Hello dear learners, welcome back. Today we will learn about the preposition in, on and at. In is used with months, years, seasons, parts of the day, country, cities and area. On is used with day, days, special days, surface or devices. At is used with exact time, festivals, occasions, specific spaces and points, expressions. Let's do this exercise for more clarification. First one is, I have a meeting blank Monday. Monday, it's a day, and for day we use on. I have a meeting on Monday. Number 2, I saw him blank the park yesterday. The park is an area, and for area we use in. I saw him in the park yesterday. Number 3, the train will arrive blank 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock is exact time. The train will arrive at 6 o'clock. He is standing blank the door. Door is a specific point. He is standing at the door. Number 5, I will visit my uncle blank my birthday. My birthday a special day. I will visit my uncle on my birthday. Number 6, my parents live blank Canada. Canada is a country. My parents live in Canada. Number 7, we usually travel blank summer. Summer is a season, and for season we use in. We usually travel in summer. Number 8, she studies English blank the morning. The morning is a part of the day. She studies English in the morning. Number 9, her birthday is blank 14 August. 14 August is a date, and for date use on. Her birthday is on 14 August. Next one, number 10. I was born blank 2001. 2001 is a year, and for years we use in. I was born in 2001. Number 11. They saw him blank the party. The party is occasion, and for occasion use at. They saw him at the party. Number 12. My uncle lived blank New York. New York, a city. And for cities, we use in. My uncle lived in New York. Number 13. I am blank home now. Home is a fixed expression. And for home, we use at. I am at home now. Number 14. It is talking to his friend blank the phone. The phone is a device, and for device we use on. He is talking to his friend on the phone. Next one is people burst crackers blank Christmas. Christmas is a festival, and for festivals we use at. People burst crackers at Christmas. And the last one is he wrote his name blank the wall. The wall is a surface. He's wrote a name on a surface. So the answer should be he wrote his name on the wall. Okay guys, that's it. Hope you found this video very helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.